Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be prepping my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Honey. And I'm just going to apply that on both of my eyelids. Okay, so I'm going to take my James Charles palette and I'm going to take the color Punch Me, and I'm going to be using this as my transition color. Okay, so now I'm going to take the color T and I'm going to be applying that in my crease. Next, I'm going to dip into the color Beanie, and I'm going to be applying that in my crease as well. Okay, so I'm going to take that same brush that I used to apply T with, and I'm going to take it and use it to blend out the harsh lines. Okay, so next I'm going in with the color Spooky, and I'm going to be applying that in my outer crease, like lower outer crease. Okay, going back in with the same three brushes that I used to apply Benny, T, and Punch Me. I'm going to take those brushes to help blend out the colors, so that way there's no harsh lines, and as well so I won't lose any of the colors. Now I'm going to take that same concealer that I used to prep with my eyes, and I'm going to take my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to cut the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm going to be dipping into the color Chocolate Gold, and I'm going to apply that on the lid. Okay, once I'm done applying that to the lid, I'm going to go back in with the color Spooky and just help blend that out. And again, taking those three brushes that I used to apply T, Benny, and Punch Me to help blend all the colors together and to make sure that I didn't lose any of them. Okay, so I've done the other eyelid and also applied lashes. So now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'm going to be priming my face with the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I am in the shade 330. Okay, and for contour, I'm going to be taking the Anastasia foundation stick in the color Cocoa, and I'm going to use this to cream contour. I had to take off my earrings, you guys, because my nails kept getting caught and I was yanking my earrings and it was hurting really bad. Okay, and now I'm going to be setting my face with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And now I'm going to take the Anastasia contour kit and I'm going to set that cream contour that I did. And for my bottom lashes, I'm going to be using the Benefit Badgal Bang Mascara and the Tarte Sex Kitten Black Eyeliner. And to set my face, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And for lips, I'm going to be taking the Morphe gloss in the color Pixie.